Mr. Kind.
Hi friends, it's Lele, Mr. Kind's very good friend. Today we're going to learn the dance moves to the Mr. Kind theme song. Are you ready? Let's go!
Mr. Kind, Mr. Kind, Mr. Kind. Mr. Kind, Mr. Kind, Mr. Kind.
We're going to begin by pretending to be soldiers. Can you show me your soldier pose like this? Fantastic! Now from here, we're going to take 4 walks. And walk, 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 walk. You guys are doing amazing. Let's try that again. And 5, 6, 7, 8. We go right, left, left. Well done. That was so good. Show me your soldier poses. Amazing. Let's try it one more time. And walk, 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 walk. Great job. Now from here, it gets a little tricky. So I'm going to try and do this nice and slow for you. We're going to step our right leg out, and our right hand is going to point to the ground, just like that. Let's try that again. And 5, 6, 7, 8, and point. Well done. Now from here, we're going to point our right hand to the sky, and our left hand is going to come into our chest, just like that. Let's try that again from here. And 5, 6, 7, 8, and point. Amazing job. Now from here, all we're going to do is swap our hands like this. So our right arm is going to come into our chest, and our left arm is going to extend to the ground. Let's try that from here. And 5, 6, 7, 8, and point. Amazing job. Let's try that from our 4 walks coming forward. We go walk, 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 walk. We point, we change, and we change again. Amazing job, everyone. Give yourselves a big clap. Let's try that again from the beginning. And 5, 6, 7, 8. Show me your soldiers. Great job. We point, we swap once more. Well done. Give yourselves a big clap. Now from here, we finished with our 3rd point to the ground. We're going to circle our right arm like this, a nice big circle. Let's try that again, and circle. Great job. And at the same time, we're going to bring our right leg to our left. Let's try that together. And 5, 6, 7, 8, and circle. You guys are doing a fantastic job. Should we try that from the top without music? Amazing. Now show me your soldiers and big smiles. Fantastic. 5, 6, 7, 8. We walk right, left, step our right leg out, point, and circle. Great job, everybody. I think we can try that a little faster from the top. Show me your soldiers. And 5, 6, 7, 8. We go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Well done, everybody. That was amazing. I think you're ready to try it on music. Are you ready? Let's go! Show me your soldiers, everyone. Walk, point around. Well done. That was so good. Now, I think we're ready to continue. Are you ready to help me move on? Great job. Now, from here, we're going to jump 4 times. We're going to jump to the right, to the left, to the right, to the left. Amazing job, but to make it a little more fun, we're going to add our arms. So our arms are going to pull, 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 pull. Are you ready to try it all together? I think so. And 5, 6, 7, 8, we jump, 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 jump. Great job. Now from here, we're going to push our arms forward to the ground. Let's try that again and push to the ground. I love it. And at the same time, we're going to step our right foot forward and then bring our left foot to our right foot. I think we can try that with arms. Are you ready? And 5, 6, 7, 8, we push forward just like that. Let's try that again. Show me your big smiles. And 5, 6, 7, 8, push. Well done. I think we can try it with the jumps. Are you ready? And 5, 6, 7, 8, we jump to the right, left, push forward. Great job. Let's try that one more time and don't forget to smile. 5, 6, 7, 8, we jump, 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 push forward. Fantastic job, everybody. Now from the push forward, we're going to nod our head twice, just like this. Nod, nod. Yay, well done. Let's try that again. Nod, nod. Amazing job, everyone. Let's try that without music. 5, 6, 7, 8, we jump, 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 push forward, nod, nod. Amazing job, everyone. I think we can try that one more time. And this time, I want you to jump as big as you can. Ready? 5, 6, 7, 8, we jump, 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 push forward, nod, nod. Well done, everybody. Give yourselves a big round of applause. I think we should try this from the top without music. Are you ready? Woo! Let's go. Show me your soldiers. And 5, 6, 7, 8. We walk right, left. We push it out and around. Now we jump, 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 jump. Push it forward. Nod your head. Great job, everyone. Let's try this one more time without music, and then I think we could try it with music. Are you ready? Amazing. Show me your soldiers and show me your big smiles. Fantastic. 5, 6, 7, 8. We walk right, left. We point, and around. Let's jump, 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 jump. Push it forward. Nod your head. Amazing job, everyone. Are you ready to try it with the music? Let's go! Show me your soldiers, everyone!
Mr.
Great job! Point, around and jump! Push it forward and nod your head. Well done, everyone! That was amazing! I think we can finish the last little section of the routine. Are you ready to try it with me? Amazing job. Now from here, we're going to shout out as loud as we can, Mr. Kind, 3 times. Do you want to try it with me? Amazing. We're going to put our hands to our mouth and we're going to shout, Mr. Kind. Let's try that again. Now, I want you to do it even louder. Ready? 5, 6, 7, 8. Mr. Kind. Amazing job. Now from here, we're going to step our legs out. We're going to put our arms up to the sky and we're going to shake our arms. Right, left. Great job. And don't forget to move your hips to the right, to the left, to the right, to the left. Shall we try that? Ready? Arms up. 5, 6, 7, 8. We shake. Amazing job, everyone. Now let's put our feet back together. Hands to our mouth and let's shout for Mr. Kind 3 times. Ready? 5, 6, 7, 8. Mr. Kind. We wave our arms in the sky. Great job, everybody. Now from here, we're going to do 2 claps. We're going to clap to the right and clap to the left. We're also going to add our feet. We're going to step, clap, and step, clap. Amazing. So that's our right leg stepping and our hands are clapping, then our left leg stepping and our hands are clapping. Should we try that from shouting out to Mr. Kind? Ready? 5, 6, 7, 8. Mr. Kind, wave your arms in the sky. We step and clap. Well done, everyone. Let's try that again, and I think we can try it even faster this time. Ready? 5, 6, 7, 8. Mr. Kind, wave your arms in the sky. Step, clap. Give yourselves a big round of applause. Now we are on to the final step of the routine. So after our clap here, we're gonna turn on ourselves, and then I want you to do any pose you like, as big as you can with a beautiful big smile. Should we try that from the clap? Ready? We're gonna turn on ourselves. And 5, 6, 7, 8. Turn around and pose. Amazing job, everyone. Let's try that from shouting out to Mr. Kind. Are you ready? And 5, 6, 7, 8. Mr. Kind, wave your hands in the sky. Step, clap. Turn on yourself and pose. Great job, everyone. I think we should try it from the beginning without music. Are you ready? Okay, let's go. Soldiers, big smiles. And 5, 6, 7, 8. And 1, 2, 3, 4. Point around. Let's jump. Push it forward, nod your head. And Mr. Kind, wave your arms to the sky. Step, clap, and turn. And well done, everyone. That was amazing. Now, let's try it one last time without music. And this time, I want to see your beautiful big smiles, and I want to see you having so much fun. Are you ready? Let's go. And 5, 6, 7, 8. We go right, left, point around. We go to the right, left. Push it forward, nod your head. Mr. Kind. We go to the right, left, step, left. Turn on yourself and pose. Well done, everyone. I think you're ready to try it with music. Are you ready to try it with me? Let's go! Ready, everyone? Show me your soldiers. And walk. Point around and jump. Push it forward, nod your head. Mr. Kind, wave your arms to the sky. Step, clap, and turn. Pose! Well done, everyone. That was amazing, but I think we can do it one last time all together. And this time, I want to see you use all the energy you have and show us your beautiful big smiles. Are you ready? Let's go! Show me your soldiers and big smiles.
Mr. Kind, Mr. Kind, Mr. Kind.
Mr. Kind.
Mr. Kind.
Well done, everyone. You did such an amazing job. Join me next time for some more Mr. Kind dance tutorials. Goodbye.